Okay, so, oh, I need to reconnect here. Sometimes it happens, you get disconnected. So you just reconnect. Okay, so your social account has been approved. Now we're going to see how we actually get to make our voucher. So on the left menu here, you click on vouchers. Make sure you are connected. Okay, it won't work if you are not connected here. And also, you'll see after we actually approve your social account, here you have a 0 point something cello. And that shows that we actually are giving you some cellos to be able to use the network. So you'll create a voucher here. Very simple. Let's get started. If you want to see details, you can read here the small letters and everything. If you want to make a personal voucher or a foundation, organization, association voucher, that's possible. You just choose here. If it's a personal one, you put your name. If it's an organization, you would put the organization name. You put a contact number. Oops, and a contact information. Here I put my Gmail. You can also put a website, a link to your work or to yourself, or a LinkedIn or whatever you want. Again, you click where you are, Kilifi, all right, I'm here, and then we go to next. Now you choose a voucher name. I'll do here like ODE with ODE, and you'll choose a symbol for that. The symbol is really like a short name. Don't think too much about it. It's just a short name that makes easy to find you in the network as well. You can, instead of a long name, you can just share a short name. Voucher description. So here, that's where you would put like your overall voucher description, like whatever, if you are an organization, the general work of your organization. That's not the moment to go too deep into what you are doing, but more like an overall description of what you do, whether personally or as a group, organization, association. Right? So I'm offering sorry, this is not typing super well here. All right, I'm offering kids activities on weekends, for instance. You can offer whatever. Here, you'll add a product. So you have your voucher description, that's general, and then you have your products. For instance, here, kids activities on weekends, I could be one of my product offering, actually. Product offering could be like swimming in the creek with the kids, right? Description here I could put, and I could say, okay, I'm going to do that once a week. So when you here publish an offering, for instance, another example could be, here we are offering trainings. I'm offering ecosystem restoration training. I can make for other communities 2-3 a year, right? Or if I do presentation of this land here, maybe I can do 2 a week, 2 on the land. So this is to make you think how much you can actually produce and deliver. That can be weekly, monthly, or yearly, depending on which type of project. If I would do a digital land design, maybe I do 3 a year. For other projects, something like that, you know. So again, I'm just really giving random examples here, but within all that you offer, you'll have different types of offering that you can actually achieve. Once this is done, you go to next. Your unit of account. So in that case, we are an international group. Like as a reference, we could all take like USD. That's most of the person that have made a voucher for that group has taken. So we all have like that same reference somehow. And you can see, so imagine here we are emitting a gift cards. You can say that one of your gift cards is $1 or 10 USD worth of your work. So if one of your product is estimated to 1,000, you'll have to share 100 of those to reach the 1,000 USD that you would have valued that product, the way you would have valued that product. The supply here for the moment is not so important, but you can create 1,000, for instance. That's what you're going to mint on Sarafu Network for now. And you're going to say, okay, I'm ready to offer my services within the network worth of 1,000 per 10 would be 10,000. So maybe that's too much to start. Maybe I make a supply of 10. They are each worth of 10 USD. So I'm already committing to deliver 1,000 USD worth of my work. This is called minting the amount of your gift card, basically. But don't worry too much about that because we can always mint more in the future. When you click on next, here you have different options, but for our group and for what we're meant to do, just click on the standard vouchers. There are expiring ones or gradually expiring ones. This is for other type of situation. In our case, let's just take the standard voucher, click on next. Here you just check that all the information you've put in is good. You haven't done like any typo errors. Otherwise, you can correct it. Then you accept the terms and condition and you publish. In that moment, what is happening is that your actual gift card is being created. You could call that your token. You have now your own token on Sarafu Network. So amazing. You've done it. You've done it. Once it's done, you will access to it. And you can keep complementing some information. You can put an icon here, which will replace the Sarafu icon that we have here next to your name, the name of your voucher. So you see here, you find the information again. One of my voucher is worth of 10 USD of product. One of my gift card is worth of that. So by default, we have the icon of Sarafu Network here, but you can change it, put whether a photo of your face, of your organization, whatever. And then you can also put a banner here, which will be that green area behind. That will be filled up with a banner, a nice photo of your work or whatever, a nice photo that's attractive to show you. Yeah, so you can update those things once the voucher, and you go here and you do saves changes each time you save changes. And you can also add more product. You can also you see here when you go to the home page of your voucher, you can add offers. So here you can develop. When we make our voucher, we don't always think about all that we can offer. If you forgot about something or you think about something later, you can see that this way. I'm going to just show you, just to show you a bit more concretely here, one voucher that I actually have, you see. So that's the banner here. That's why I put a photo of me working here in the village. I have a just my profile photo, and you see here I have ecosystem restoration design, permaculture hands-on trainings, 2 web strategies, and I still have to put little photo for each of those offers as well. And basically that's your only little portfolio that's appearing here. In my case, I've already been quite active in the network, so I have also a list of reports that actually showing the work I'm doing on the ground, which is also building like quality to my portfolio, as everyone here can see the actual work I'm doing. So each time you use Sarafu Network and you exchange your skills with people, you can actually plug a report to show what you have actually done. And that's how you can show yourself in what is that marketplace as well. Yeah. And let me just show you quickly the mustard seed pool also here. So I'll click on pools. The seedlings pool here. So we did a little trial with just a few people that we've put our vouchers in the next meeting. When more people have done the voucher, we'll put everyone in. And what's interesting in, all those product offers that you do, they are reflected here. So what's interesting now is in that mustard seed pool, we will see what is actually and who is actually offering what really clearly. So for now, we just have a few vouchers. We have 5 of us in there. And you will see the marketplace of the mustard seed group within that pool. So that's also makes it easy for us to actually show what kind of offers are in that pool. So that will be it for today. We'll tell you more in some next meetings. And congratulations, you've done all the steps to onboard on Sarafu Network.